For a product designer, student, or hobbyist, nothing takes the place of seeing your 3D design come to life as a real model. The design process typically progresses from conceptualization to validation, and prototypes are vital throughout. Introducing the Roland monoFab series ARM10 3D printer and SRM20 desktop milling machine. One device for additive printing, another for subtractive milling, delivering complementary features and capabilities designed to bring your ideas to life. Additive printing lets you quickly create prototype concepts by layering material into almost any shape, including hollow. Subtractive milling allows for validating fit and function from a variety of materials using actual production processes. The Roland monoFab ARM10 3D printer uses a long-lasting UV lamp to cure a photopolymer resin and build complex shapes layer upon layer. Included user-friendly software makes it easy to produce objects as large as 130 millimeters long by 70 millimeters wide and high. For dimensional accuracy and the ability to use a variety of inexpensive materials, up to 203.2 millimeters long by 152.4 millimeters wide and 60.5 millimeters high, the monoFab SRM20 desktop milling machine is ideal. Easy-to-use CAM software is included, and a virtual panel gives you control of milling speeds to address the varying requirements for chemical wood, acrylics, polyacetate, ABS, modeling wax, styrofoam, and PCB board. The SRM20 also allows you to validate final designs before proceeding to actual production. With Roland's monoFab ARM10 and SRM20, you can now enjoy the best of both additive and subtractive rapid prototyping. From the company that for more than 25 years has delivered digital tools to turn your ideas into reality.